How to change the way of thinking, feeling, and acting. So if you really want to make a change in our lives, we need to start working with two of our psychophysiological centers, which are the intellectual center and the emotional center, in order to change the way we think and the way we feel. In this way, we will be re-educating the other three centers, the instinctive, sexual, and motor centers. So first of all, we need to change our way of thinking and our way of feeling. To change our way of thinking, we need to stop perceiving ourselves as a psychological unity. We need to see through self-observation how the different selves manifest inside of us and make us take part of their ideas. We need to start going beyond our thoughts and analyzing who is the element, the character who is thinking this or that, not identifying with the way of thinking, but instead analyzing the cause of these thoughts. For instance, a thought that makes us fight with someone is nothing else than an ego of anger or jealousy or resentment. That eye puts in our intellectual center all those thoughts and convinces us to identify ourselves with them to make us feel or do things which will damage ourselves, our environment, or our body. As we said, we must also change our way of feeling, trying not to identify with the negative emotions we have, such as hatred, resentment, anger. Each of these emotions are nothing more than expressions of different selves that seek to feed themselves and keep existing in our inner world, dragging us to their own hells. At this point, it is necessary not to identify with them, to make us aware of this and overcome that pain we feel through the exercise of will. Although we may think this is strange, we all have the ability to sacrifice the pain we feel, and that is something wonderful. Nobody is compelled to be locked up in the prison of pain. We can all learn to sacrifice our pain in order to feel something superior, like peace, in the same way that many times we sacrifice something we like or which gives us pleasure. It is also necessary to accompany this work with a willpower in our behavior, to stop committing the usual mistakes, which will lead us along a path of inner transformation. Individuals who make a change in themselves will make a change in their family environment. Our wise example through changing educates and inspires others to change too, not by an imposition, but simply by what they see when we start to enjoy the benefits that the change brought to our lives. Our own inner transformation has its positive consequences, first of all in our family, and then by extension in all society. The best way to change society is to inspire others to make a change by our own inner transformation.